up? Welcome to another video. Today we're watching unusual memes. Yippee! Oh, you suggested. Awesome! Oh, bruh. They're silly.
You didn't really do much.
Oh my god, it's a cat. Whoa!
World's fastest
Oh my
computer
god.
screenplay.
Bruh. How old is the computer? Okay, one way how you can tell that it's like an old laptop is like how thick the rim is, right? Like the thicker the rim, the older the laptop, I feel like. Or actually the thicker the laptop, the thicker the laptop as well. Oh, thank you, Internet Explorer.
Baba Booey.
i3 Intel, bruh, that's insane. Whoa, wicked. Oh my god!
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Fucked on a deer over there.
Holy shit.
A what? A deer?
Holy shit.
Dude, why are deers so scary?
Yo,
Why is
what
it
is
so
going
scary?
on? Yo, got my Sammy.
There was a very big bottom bezel not that long ago because the 16:9 panels didn't fit into laptops, so bezels are a great way to investigate a laptop's age. Yeah. Oh dear.
It's silly, man. Funny.
Bruh.
Oi.
That's interesting. I didn't know why it was. I know that like the other stuff, like the laptop is thick because they didn't have parts that were small enough, right, to make them skinny. Yeah, that's cool. That's kind of cool.
Look at it.
Oh.
Out of his shoes.
4-3 gamer laptop. What? Oh my god! The frog just Uno reversed the cat. What?
Go!
What is bro doing? Oh. Okay, now I get it. He acted like... Did he act like he was texting someone to seem important? Wait, what is the context? Is he acting like he's texting someone, or is she asking him math questions? Me? No, cause I get that, cause I would always oh my god, this is so sad. But when I was like sitting at lunch at school and I was like with other people and I was like, you know, I was like not really integrated into the groups, but I would still just sit there. So instead of just sitting there, I would like look at my phone and just act like I'm texting someone all the time. Yeah, social anxiety.
Go!
Oh. Oh my god! How did that break, bro? How's that? Oh! He's eeping!
Not to get out, but with the help of a broomstick handle, he will remove all the ice and make his way.
So someone told me shaving
Awesome.
cream cleans your windows for you. It's on my new Ford Escape that I got. And they said to leave it for a little bit, so we're gonna see.
What? Dude, that was cut so... Holy shit.
Escape that I got. And they said to leave it for a little bit, so we're gonna see.
Perfect cut. Holy shit. No, hamster.
Oh, yes. My fan. Fuck my TV. Wow.
Oh, oops.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Oh, no. No. What?
No meio do nada.
Oh?
Tá certo disso?
Wait. Okay, but why would they put the button there like that? It looks like it wants to be pressed, dude.
Good, you can take it.
Huh?
Go ahead and take it.
What is that? Oh my god! It's the things in Breath of the Wild! The little leaf, the living leaf things. What the heck?
на рыбалочке.
It's just alive.
Нихуя себе поклевка. Uhul.
Oh.
Vamos lá. Esse tamanduazinho que não tem nome, aceitamos sugestões, é fêmea. O Ronaldo.
Hi.
Ronaldo tá aqui averiguando.
Oh? Oh! Whoosh!
Climb me.
I was gonna be impressed, but...
Rise, my child.
Oh my god.
Good.
Oh my god! What? Holy shit! That's so cute! Oh my god, bro. Bro should not drive that. What? How does that even happen? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
What kind of dog is that?
It's a pretty strange dog you got there. Oh my god.
Para la familia completa, amigos.
Oh! Oh my god.
Ya no es el solo, ¿verdad?
Oh shit. Me when I'm bowling, dude. Me when I'm bowling. Samsung kittens. Blind. Wait, you think he's blind? I thought he was... Wait, oh my god, you're right. He was creating his nest. Oh. That's silly. No, just dumb. Oh. That's the father of the kittens? I don't think it works like that. Oh. Whoa. Oh no, bruh, I thought he was gonna crash. Is this Germany? Okay, this has to be Germany. I think those things those things just exist in Germany, bro. The pedalos. What is that? Bruh, it was a whole meme in Germany. It was a whole meme in Germany. Bruder muss los. You guys, it's a meme in Germany. A German meme. No, cause we had those actually in kindergarten. I don't know why, but you're supposed to like, it's supposed to help you like work out. It's like a workout thing. Yeah. We had him here too. Oh my god, hell yeah. I don't know what to say. Yeah, they're just like an exercise thing. Oh my god.
Tissue. Oh, tissue.
Oh, bruh. Bro, it's not a towel. Oh shit.
We have no way of getting up there?
No, I mean, we can try to walk past them, but they're fucking, dude.
What?
They're fucking.
Oh, I don't know why I was expecting people. I don't know what why I was expecting people. What do you think about Poland and Polish society? I don't know a lot about Poland, to be honest. I was in oh shit, sorry, I forgot the name of this. Warsaw. I was in Warsaw once. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. It was really, I think it's a pretty nice city. But yeah, I don't really have an opinion.
It's everywhere.
'Cause I don't really know. Oh shit! Hi, bacalao fish.
We should have bought some fucking longer shoelaces. Fucking hell! Look at the fucking state of them. I could rescue Titanic with them fuckers.
I have shoes like that. I don't know why. I feel like on some shoes they make the shoelaces too long, and then on others they make them too short. I hate that. Hi, bacalao fish. What? Why? Why?
Yeah, go feed.
It's also too late. The car is already wet, bro.
Go feed him, Taraji.
Huh?
Yeah, go over there with your daddy. Go over there with your daddy and feed him.
Jadis, don't do that.
Oh shit. It's genius? What?
My head went between.
Whoa!
Timing your jump.
Oh my god. Please don't touch it.
Oh, wait. What?
Oh, you snapped an axle.
Oh, they're so silly.
Comes the fucking paper boy. Thank God. What's up?
Oh. Oh.
The fuck?
Chicken. Oh, that's a big ass piece of chicken.
It is. Oh?
Mama ain't Jamie.
No way. No way they got her with that dude. Lady! Lady! Or him? Wait, is it a sir or a lady? Sir/lady. Come on, come on.
Your mama ain't Jemima, ain't your daddy.
Ayo. Oh! Oh my god, this took me a second. Second. Said old people can be non-binary. Okay, or old non-binary person. But oh my god. I was confused for a second. She lags? Wait, does the stream lag? Or what do you mean? What do you mean? I was lagging for a bit because I was thinking, wait, I was confused because I thought this was a painting, and then I thought it was like a whole dog, but I think it's like a painting and a dog. Oh, your brain, brah. I do that sometimes. Whoa! That's a big cat, dude. She ate though. Hey, we're gonna get there. Anyway, it's getting late. Good night. Whoa! Oh my god. Alright guys. Alright you guys. Check out unusual videos. Thank you so much for watching. Hop over on Twitch if you want to watch me live. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye YouTube. Thank you.